Cool and Dre. This is the remix for the city. Let's just start snapping. Crack hit Bleak on the jack like, let's make it happen. Oh, it's
Nothing
me.
can stop me. I'm all the way up.
It's me.
All the way up.
It's me.
I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Show it what you want, show it what you need. My niggas run the game, we ain't never leave. Counting up this money, we ain't never sleep. You got V12, I got 12 V's. Got bottles, got weed, got molly. I'm all the way up. Shorty, what you want, I got what you need. Shorty, what you want, I got what you need. Shorty, what you want, I got what you need. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. All the way up.
Turn me all the way up, Dre.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all
You know
the way
you made
up.
it when the fact you mash made it is worth millions. Lemonade is a popular drink and it still is. Woo. Survival of the littest. Niggas who really up verse niggas up in your business. I'm in the room where real niggas not allowed. Woo. I'm the only one in the room that they fear right now. Woo. I think they clear right now. Let's celebrate no red champagne, we don't play that. All we see is gold bottles and paper plane hats. 21 Grammys that I use for Douce cups. I'm on the penthouse floor, call your way up. The OG said, "Ho, how high is high enough?" I said, "Till we I with the higher ups. Until we let them know we ain't those niggas. Until our baby showered in gold, nigga." Blue looking like Pac in the tub. David LaChapelle levels and not giving a fuck. Prince left his masters where they safe and sound. We never gonna let the elevator take us
I'm
down.
all the way up.